Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Yesterday we studied about the crow who pretended, the story of crow who pretended to become a peacock, and then the friends of crow ignored him, and even peacocks also made fun of crow because crow does not look as beautiful as peacock. Today we are going to study lesson number 15. Name of our lesson is M is R. M is R are used in tenses. Okay, which tenses? Continuous present tense. Where do we use it? We use it in continuous present tense. Okay, we use it in continuous present tense. M is R. And in the book here it is told that M is R are special helping verb. What are they? They are special helping verbs. What they do? They help main verb. Now if I will give you sentence like the boy is studying hard. Okay, or the boy is studying hard. When I give you this sentence, the boy is studying hard, in this sentence, studying is what? Studying is main verb. What is studying? Studying is main verb, and is what? It is helping verb. It is what? It is helping verb. So in the sentence, M is are, was, were, will be, have, had, such type of words are called helping words. Helping words shall, should, will, would, can, could. There are many more. Come on, you can tell some more. There are so many examples, or you can say there are many verbs which are helping main verbs. Okay, and these verbs are called is. It is helping verb, and this helping verb is for which verb? It helps main verb, studying. And main verb is what? Action words. What are main verbs? The actions, the words which performs actions in the sentence, that verbs are called main verbs, and helping verbs are what? They only support main verbs. Okay. Now here examples, here it is given that they are used. Now M is are used when the action is happening right now. In present tense, I told you, in continuous present tense, when action is happening right now, when action takes place right now, at that time we use M is R. Now M is used for which pronouns? There are total of, I told you there are 7 pronouns. Okay, which are those? I, we, I will write down little far away. Okay, I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Okay, I am, we are. We means what? More than one. You means we are talking about second person. You are. He is. She is. It is. And they are. Have you understood? For which pronouns, which verb we have to use? For I am, we are, you are. Okay, he is, she is, it is, they are. Understood? And there are more too. This, 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 THESE, this. That, 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 and THOSE, those. This is for singular. When we speak about one thing means what? Singular. When we speak about singular thing, that time we use this and that. This is. Okay, that is. This are. Those are. Understood? This is, that is, these are, those are. Understood? So for singular, when we talk about one thing, When we speak about single thing, at that time we use is. Correct? When we speak about one man, when we speak about one woman, or when we speak about one girl, one boy, at that time we use is. Here also he is, she is, it is, one thing, non-living thing, any one non-living thing, for that also we use is. Understood? So here it is told that singular. When the person is singular, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, this is, that is. Plural, we are, you are, they are, these are, those are. Understood? Now here we have to do fill in the blanks with am, is, are. Fill in the blanks with am, is, are. Some sentences are given. Total 12 sentences are given here. And what we have to do? We have to fill the blanks in the sentences. The first sentence which is given here is I dash at school. Just a minute, I will write down sentence. First one, I dash at school. What answer will come here? When I is there, when it is singular, that time we have to write down am. I am at school. Second, they dash friends of mine. They, where is they? They are. They are friends of mine. He dash studying. When we talk about one person, that is he is. So is. Fourth one, my mother says that I dash a good girl. What good girl? I am a good girl. Okay, fifth one. THOSE, those dash are our new cricket bats. So what answer will come here? Those are. Where is those? Here. Those are. So what will be answer? Are. Those are our new cricket bats. The sixth one sentence I will just read for you now. The sixth sentence which is given here is, you can see here, Meena is my sister. What is Meena? Meena is my sister. She dash good at studies. When we talk about one person, that time we use is singular. She is good at studies. Seventh one, the cat dash fast asleep. The cat is fast asleep. Eighth one, this mangoes dash sweet. These mangoes are sweet. Ninth one, it is a rainy day. We speak about one day. When it is singular, then it is. 10th one, Moti is our pet. I dash very fond of it. When it is singular I, that time we have to use what? We have to use am over there. So I am very fond of it. 11th one, we dash a small family. We are. What will be answer? We are a small family. And 12th one, this dash my mother. This is. When we talk about one mother, correct? When we talk about one thing, one mother, that time what will come? Is will come. So this is my mother. Have you understood? In this way we have completed 12. Fill in the blanks. You have to write down these all answers in your English grammar book. Tomorrow we will study was and were. Past tense. This is everything in present tense. Okay. Now instead of am, are, is, some other verbs will come, some another helping verbs will come, that we will study in tomorrow's period. I think you have understood about helping verbs. M is are called helping verbs which helps which verbs, which helps main verbs. Main verbs are which? Action verbs. Action words in the sentences are main verbs, and these helping verbs are helping them, okay, or they support main verbs. Remaining part, next lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. Thank you and have a nice day.